Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to create TikTok account. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just download the app, and after I download it, you're gonna see the interface of the app. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just click on your profile icon at the below right corner, and as you can see, I haven't actually logged in with my account or haven't yet signed in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click sign up right here, and you can have more than one option to sign up for TikTok. You can use your personal phone or email, continue with Facebook. If you have Apple, just continue with it, or Google or Twitter account. So there is a plenty alternative option if you don't have email, or if you don't want spam emails from TikTok, whatnot. You had enough of it, you can just continue with Apple or Google. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to use an email or phone number. So in my case, I'm gonna just type an email. Okay. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna just type an email, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here. It says get trending content or whatnot. Just toggle it off and proceed to the next step. And if you want to enter your password, you have to add your password or create your password, and it must be very powerful. So you have to add one letter, one number, one special character, whatnot, and you have to make it 8 character. So in my case, like this, proceed and enter your birthday. And want to bring to your attention that if you entered your birthday now, you can't actually edit it or do anything after you create your account. TikTok is very strict about the birthday, birthday edits. So you have to report to TikTok to TikTok help and support in order from them to fix your problem. So you have to be careful about your birthday, and you have to enter the correct birthday and just proceed to the next step. And we're gonna wait out for a few moments until our account is signed up. Just skip, and as you can see, now we created our account on TikTok. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.